Today we will be taking notes over electricity, static and current electricity. You will write these notes in your notebook and then take a picture and upload the picture of your notes in your notebook in Schoology. Both students in class and if you are at home or out of class for any reason, will write these notes into the notebook and take a picture and upload it to the assignment on Schoology. You can pause this video as you go along if you need time to write this information down. Okay, you're going to write all this information down. There's just a couple of bullet points here. Electricity, static electricity is an electric charge that builds up an object. Static electricity is the buildup of an electrical charge on the surface of an object. It's called static because the charges remain in one area rather than moving or flowing to another area. We see static electricity every day. It can even build up on us. For example, when we rub our feet on the carpet and then zap something when we touch it. That is static electricity that we have built up on the surface of our skin, discharging onto another object. We also see it when our hair gets charged and sticks straight up, or when our pant legs keep sticking to our legs. This is all static electricity that is built up on the surface of an object. Current electricity is electricity that moves through a wire. Okay, write that part down. Current electricity is the flow of an electric charge in a certain direction. It is an important quantity in electric currents. Current flows through a circuit when a voltage is placed across 2 points of a conductor. Current electricity can come from various sources. The most commonly used source of current electricity is from batteries. These batteries rely on the chemical reactions within them to produce electricity. The last thing you need to know is circuit is a plan that electricity flows, a path that electricity flows. So you should have these 3 bullets and then information underneath it written down. Go to the next page. Not page, go to the next slide. So
Grace Marley, please report to the tower. Grace Marley to the tower.
Let's review static electricity. On a cold day, you may see a person's hair stand up. The reason their hair stands up is because of static electricity. Lightning is an example of static electricity. A static charge builds up in a cloud, and then the current electricity moves to the ground in the form of a lightning flash. Go ahead and write that information down. Okay. Some examples of static electricity. Current electricity. What happens when you plug a lamp into a wall outlet? Electricity flows from the wires in the wall through the plug and into the lamp's wires. Electricity that flows through the wire is current electricity. A lamp's bulb glows only when there is a closed circuit. A circuit is a path that electricity follows. Okay, you need to write all of this information down. And lastly, we're going to write about how electricity moves. Later on this week, you will have a project that involves how electricity moves. Electricity moves through some things, but not through others. Something that electricity moves freely through is called a conductor. Copper wire is a good conductor. Something that electricity will not move through easily is called an insulator. Wood and plastics are examples of insulators. Electricity can be dangerous, so people use insulators to stay safe. The activity that we're going to be working with is not dangerous in any way, but it will show you how copper is a good conductor and electricity can move through it. You want to make sure you have all of this information that was on the slides in the video written down in your notebook. Take a picture of the notes and submit it on the assignment on Schoology.